True Jamaican vibes, fire raid. Yes, guys, yeah, man. There one place with them call him Round Hill, you know? Yeah, man, Round Hill. Yeah, man, right Everett Car Care. E&A Car Care Center. Yeah, man. Anything you want to do to no car, you can come right at Everett right here, so. Yeah, man, nice car wash and everything. They supply car with everything and bike. So they can check out a car wash and a tire shop, you know. Big up yourself, Zane. Big up yourself in the radio watch. Yeah, man, I don't know, say. Long time I watch the channel, you know. So they also do balancing too, tire repairs, washing. So I'm gonna take you all to them place the name again. Knoxwood direction, you know. Yeah, man. So thank you all for watching. So let's just stick and stay and see what I go on with the tour guide fire raid. Everybody know about one club them call him Spinless Nightclub. We're close to that area. If you make a right turn right up there, right here, will take you all to the Spinless Nightclub. Yes, guys, so you can come and enjoy your nightlife there. We are heading towards Knoxwood Orange Grove, them place there. But always remember to wear your seatbelt, guys. Yeah, man, wear your seatbelt is a part of safety. Big up yourself, Kadeen. Big up yourself. So you have a wholesale right here that do liquor consignment and all those stuff. So if you want your liquor consignment, you can check in this area. They do a lot of variety of stuff like sell them rice, cooking oil and all them things, you know. Big up yourself, girl. One love, one heart. Yeah, man, still a tour same way. You know, Jamaica nice one. No matter where you go, Jamaica nice, you know. All through the struggles and tribulation, yeah, man, we still enjoy Jamaica. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So just guys, sorry about that. Sorry about the language. You know, say one guy visit you a bad driver a while ago, man. But sorry about that. My people just come out of the mouth. Wagwan! They are chop 2 video and go through, you know? We talk, you know? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Grey. Yeah, man, top man, Grey, that, you know? I feel up a bit, you know, where you go, I feel them up, you know? Yeah, man, I go through. Thing here, so there's a Knoxwood area, yes, Knoxwood area. If you make the right turn, will take you out to the Knoxwood Apostolic Church, would be on your right. Yes, man. Big up yourself, Mr. Brown. Big up yourself, Mr. Reed. So we're very close to the Knoxwood Basic School. Yeah, man, them places I was stepping ground, them places I used to go school and you know, yeah man, so heading towards them places I owe me there every day. The barber shop in the area. Big up yourself, Tony. Yeah man, the best barber in the world. Go different places and go different barber, but I tell you say, see the barber here them call him super cut barber, Tony. The man they neat. Big up yourself, Tony. Yeah man, barber shop on your right. Them place them all a trim. Yeah man, so big up yourself, Tony out. One love, one heart, you know. So we are going towards the Rock Entertainment Center in Knoxwood. Show the place where I go and let them know. So yeah, Jamaica still nice, still looking beautiful. On your right, you have the Rock Entertainment Center. Yes, and also in this area, you have your feeding shop with a call a farm store, and also your restaurant. Yeah, man, big up Nadine Cook Shop, big up yourself. Yeah, man, you want your fried chicken and your curry goat, and big up yourself, Nadine. Yeah, man, keep on doing the good work. Give the people them some nice cooking same way. Never drop your standard. Big up yourself, Spooky. Yeah, man. So we're heading towards the Burn Savannah Sports Complex. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. To Jamaican Vibes Fiery.